Oh no. Oh, I was so close. I was so close. I was so close. I was so close. Hey yo, what's up? It's me, Dylan Plays Planes, back with another video. Today we'll be playing Tornado Alley Ultimate. I've played this game before. I've never mentioned it on the channel before. It's an amazing game. And you know I don't really like doing that. I don't like playing the game and not mentioning it on the channel.
6.5 hours later.
I'm gonna skip the load. And I'm gonna enter the map. Let's see, what is this? What is it? Looks like the storm has not started yet. Oh my gosh, what's up with my zoom? What in the world? What in the world? That guy's jumping around. I'm gonna jump around too. Oh. Oh no, is it the fire tornado? If you guys played this game before, you'll remember that the old fire tornado was just completely red. It was like pitch red and it was just funny. Oh my gosh, I need to go. Go, 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 go. What am I doing? Oh no, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. What is that? Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Am I alive? Oh no, what's going on? So what now? Let's see, do I have any injuries? Do I? Nope. Okay. Does this fire actually burn me? Oh, yep, it does. Okay. The tornado is actually acting insane. I don't like it when it does that. I'm gonna head right up to it. If you guys heard me just exhale, then I'm really sorry. What does it say? Something restaurant. 7 Rapito? I don't know. Let's go. Fear me. Tornado, come here. What are you doing, you scaredy cat? Are you afraid of me? Oh no, that guy's no history. Or girl, I don't know. Go, go, go. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Where's the, oh, that guy, that person just got launched. Oh, oh. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my gosh, oh no, oh no, oh no. No, 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 oh my god. Go, 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 go. Oh dear. Went right over me. Hide, hide, please. It's right there. Please, 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 go away, go away. Oh my gosh, I'm in the fire, I'm in the fire, I'm in the fire. Oh, I'm gonna go help this guy. Is that a nuclear explosion? No. Take that. Oh my gosh. What is it doing? Zoom is messed up. And, yeah, I guess. Now what? There's not anything popping up, so maybe there's a second disaster? It's doing this. You survive. I knew it. Got it. What is this? What is it? What is it? What is it? Why do I hear people screaming? Super tsunami? Oh, I'm heading to a volcano. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Don't go in the volcano. I need to be safe. This guy said, oh noes. What does this person say? Get up here. Yeah, this is the only safe spot, really. Oh, I was falling. Oh, that guy's about to fall in. See the... Rest in peace to those people down there who don't make it up. Yeah. Pepperonis. Yeah, just say rest in pepperonis. Oh, oh no. Oh, I was so close. I was so close. I was so close. I was so close. I was actually so close to that. That was just like, I was kind of left speechless. The only safe spot was on top of that. And I know it was kind of suspicious, or how, like, it wouldn't pop up, because usually that happens. The forecasting pops up. Yay. I'm alive. But I don't know. The bad thing is, I don't think I get any credit for that, because I joined right before it started. Because it said join map. Maybe I do. I don't know. It said you survive plus how many coins? 8,000 coins. Hold up. Shop. Summon the disasters. What should I summon? Because I want to summon something. Let's summon... I'm gonna summon the pollution. Someone with coins. What was that? Betraying your friends. You summon pollution. Everybody was notified. Well, I'm not really betraying my friends because my friends aren't on this server. And this figure guy is just watching me, which is kind of creepy. And yay. Yeah. Let's see. Yes, look. I'm gonna put an arrow, but if you see right there in the corner, it says, warning, the Roblox weather station has confirmed. Oh my gosh, I need to put one in. Let's put the arrow. Yeah. Pollution. I'm gonna put an arrow. Yay. So it did actually work. I didn't get all my Roblox waste. I brought a thing from the shop, which I'm actually gonna put on. Inventory, effect, no, yep, purple fire. Put that on. The shelter key, eh? Tornado. 4 tornadoes at once? Wouldn't that be called like a quadrano? Quadrano? Is that even a thing? That's why I'm gonna take this purple fire off. It looks kind of weird. Oh no, it's still on me. Oh, I guess it's gonna be on me for this whole round. Forecast show that an incoming source. I couldn't read that in time. Adios, amigos. Many areas in a row. I couldn't read that. It's possible multiple tornadoes can form. Judging by the weather conditions, it's likely 4 tornadoes will occur. Like the video if you've ever seen a tornado. Subscribe if you haven't. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Even though we're 8 minutes in. Make sure to like and subscribe. Now you know what my videos look like. Can I get rid of this, please? It looks like I'm actually like on fire. Let's go. On the goes. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, fire! There's 4 of them. Oh no! That's an EF4. No, is that an EF5? That's an EF5. EF stands for Advanced Fujita Scale, if you don't know already. That's what EF stands for. Oh, bat. Yes. On the bat. Oh, that's pretty cool. I've never used a bat before. Oh, no. I regret breaking that window. Oh, no. Please. I'm just having my fingers crossed right now. I don't even know what's going on right now. Where's it? Oh, it is right there. Oh dear. Oh, look at my health. Actually, look at it. Look at my health. Oh, I almost got flung off the map. Oh no. Oh. Does Earth love man? Anthony T. Hickens. I don't think Earth loves man at this point. Even though we love Earth, I don't think Earth loves man. No. I hope I survive my own disaster. That'll be pretty embarrassing if I don't. And, whoa, I just got flung across. Oh! Did you see that? I got flung, and now I just got flung into another tornado. Only in Ohio. Where is it gone? Okay, it's gone away. Please. Oh, no. It changed its mind. What was that? Is that an EF? That's an EF2. Oh. EF2s aren't really anything to deal. Like, they're no biggie. Yes. Go up into the skies. What was that? Okay, now I need to get the mask. It's a pollution round. One, and you get the thing for the pollution. Where's the drop? I swear if it's on the other side of the map, I'm not gonna be happy. Pollution. Where's the mask? Oh, my heart is actually pounding. I'm not even kidding. It's just a thing of luck now. I'm actually terrified. I don't know where to go right now. I'm actually not commentating right now because I'm actually really nervous. Everybody's going over here, so I'm gonna go over. Where is it? Here's a supply drop. Right here. I need to go. Oh, I have a mask! I have a mask. Did I? I think I have a mask. Oh, that was actually really nervous. I definitely have a mask now. Yeah, look. See, a mask is on me. Okay, yeah. You're dead, R.I.P. Yeah, that guy doesn't have a mask. Rest in peace. He said how? I'm gonna put RIP. Yeah. Okay, yay. So that's gonna end today's video here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.